Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to let others download your video from TikTok. Open your TikTok app. Before we proceed, make sure that you are logged into your account and have a very stable internet connection. Go to your profile. You can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is what your profile will look like. If you look at the top right corner of your screen, you can see three lines. This is the menu option. Tap on the menu and then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and then scroll until you find downloads. When you tap on downloads, you can see that the video downloads option is off, which means that you are not allowing other people to download your videos. You can simply toggle this button on to let others download your video. I hope the steps were clear and you have now learned to do this on your own. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.